All right, I'm screaming, I don't know why. We're gonna do a quick get ready with me today, which will turn into a 42-hour get ready with me every time I say that. But we're actually gonna use all Rimmel products today. Are you ready? Because you guys know I am now an ambassador for Rimmel Cosmetics, so get ready to see a lot of it. It is a paid partnership. Praise the Lord, you know your girl, she gotta get that Starbucks addiction going. You already know. But all right, just stay tuned and let's get ready with me. You guys know I'm already obsessed with this foundation, but let's try out some more Rimmel stuff. Let's do it. So the palette we're gonna use today is the Magnifique Nude Edition. Magnifique Eyes. Look how pretty this is. You guys can swipe up to get it. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. It's so perfect. So I'm gonna start with this shade right here. And I'm just gonna load up the side of the brush. And I've already primed my eyes, but we're just gonna start by putting this into the crease. Okay, I'm not mad at that pigment at all. Look how beautiful. And then we'll bring it all the way over and just start to do small circular motions. I feel like every color I think that I want and I'm looking for is here. So I'm gonna grab this shade right here. I was like, is there a bone colored shadow? And lo and behold, there is. So I'm just gonna pop that right there on my brow bone and blend it towards the inner part of my eye. Look at that, it's so smooth. All right, we're gonna go into this nice dark shade right here. And we're just gonna focus this deeper in the crease, right through here. Look at that. I'm so impressed. I've used one of the other eyeshadow palettes, but I hadn't used this one yet. And I feel like this is so affordable and so good. I mean, you're seeing it right here in action. Look at that. The definition I want's there. We're good to go. That's so good. All right, I don't think you guys are ready for this. I don't think you are. I'm gonna grab this shade right here first. Go right into it on the side, load up the brush. And we're gonna focus this shade right here. Oh my gosh, look at that. My brush is not wet. Oh my goodness. They're not playing. Look at that. And we're gonna bring it all the way over through here. We could use this as our inner corner in a second too, but I want to focus this one towards the inner part of the eye. Now I'm going to take this shade here, which is a little bit deeper, and we'll take it and put it right on top to right here and bring it all the way to right here. We definitely want to keep this outer part shaded, but look at that. My brush is not wet and it's just perfectly shimmering. Ooh, Rimmel is out here with the spice levels that we need. Hello, new favorite drugstore eyeliner. I'm about to do this and I'll post it over here, but I want to do it in real time and I can't talk and do it, but I want to show you what we're using. We're using the Rimmel Gel Eyeliner. Swipe up to get it. Oh my goodness. Time to start on our face. I'm absolutely obsessed over this Stay Matte makeup primer, also Rimmel, obviously. But you guys have seen me use this a couple times now, and you only need that much. And you guys know I live in Houston, where the humidity is on another level of aquatic. And I'm obsessed with this. It just keeps your makeup on. And you obviously know it's so affordable. So I'll just put it right through the center of my face. That's where I focus the most of it, and then I'll just start to spread it out. Now this one goes without saying. I've been wearing this foundation for a long time. This is the Rimmel Lasting Finish 25-Hour Breathable. I love the applicator. I love the finish. I just love everything about it. All of y'all have went and bought it and you're all obsessed with it too. So it's not just me. Y'all loving it as much as I do. Make sure you swipe up to check it out. You guys need this. It's like the perfect summer foundation. I'm telling y'all. I'm telling y'all, it's so good. I wanted you guys to see it blend in and how it just matches and adjusts so beautifully. Look at that already. And I'm actually a little more tan than last week. Woo! Smells nice, not too heavy, not too fragrant. I love it. can see how beautifully the foundation has adjusted. I'm telling y'all, it's my ride or die. I use it every day regardless. I'm going to use this Rimmel Stay Matte Concealer, and I'm using the shade, I don't know what shade it is, Vanilla. And we're just going to pop this on. So we'll just pop a little on. I've used this one a couple times. It's definitely matte, but it's still really nice underneath your eyes. You guys know the huge spots. It's not drying at all. Alright, let's blend it in. I want you guys to watch it blend. Look at that. You only need a little bit. And look how smoothing. I want to get you all the way in. Look at that. That's really smooth. I mean, honestly, you want to know another reason why I love Rimmel? They keep their name short. All this is their translucent powder, and it's called the Stay Matte Mattifying Loose Powder. Thank you for that. Thank you for that short name. I love this powder. Alright, so I'm just going to grab my blender, and I'm just going to take a little bit. I'm not baking, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to work it in. I'm going to put it here and then press it in until it disappears. It's so smoothing. You can see the difference right now. Look at that. So good. Alright, this is actually one of my favorite things right now. You guys see me use this all the time. This is the Insta Duo Contour Stick. I use the shade Dark. It seems aggressive, but it blends out so beautifully. And you just need a little bit. So you guys know the usual spots. And then we'll be back in just a second to blend it out. Look how beautifully it blends. And it's perfect. Look at that. We're already done. And then we'll go back over it with a blender, but just use a brush first, just to kind of work it into your hairline. And it's so good. Swipe up to check it out. Alright, these are so slept on. I'm obsessed with these. These are the Maxi blushes from Rimmel. And today I'm going to use the shade Wild Card, and it actually just looks like it's mimicking sun-kissed goodness. I'm just using a fluffy brush to apply. And then my favorite part is just to apply a little here across your nose. It just makes it look so believable. And then we'll go back over it with the missing blender. There it is. How does this thing get away from me? Just to kind of work it back into the skin. I'm going to set everything with this spray right here. I haven't used it. It's the Stay Matte Fix and Go. So I'll let you guys know how it wears. But oh my god, it smells amazing. There we go. We're all set. Okay, we're out here looking real cute. I'm going to do this satin lip. This is also Rimmel. This one isn't going to dry completely, and it's going to feel really comfortable on your lips, but it stays on really nice. I'm using the shade Psych. So then I'm going to grab this lip liner, also Rimmel, swipe up to get this one too, and I'm just going to kind of create a little extra definition around the 𝗕𝗘𝗧𝗬 and right underneath here. Alright guys, all done. Full face of Rimmel. I am blown away. Just blown away. We are looking top notch. I'm gonna run out, and I'm actually going to the Galleria, so if you see me, say hi. I'll post full makeup details later tonight. Alright, love y'all, bye. Alright guys, here's the finished look. No filter, natural lighting. Who's running to buy that foundation and that concealer and that powder and basically everything Rimmel? Y'all better be running. Look at this.